if you are struggling with female anatomy and you want to draw pretty girls, you can keep on watching. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're new on this channel, my name is Elfie and I draw a lot. As you can see on the different videos I post every Tuesday. Yeah, I'm self-promoting. I try. I wanted to share with you today how I draw pinups because I always post like random chit chats and time lapse of my drawings, but I thought it could be maybe interesting for you to have some tips to draw girls if you are struggling with poses or how to do breasts. I will not do like an easy pose, but something like that. Doing this, emphasize on the boobies area and also show a little butt, but I won't show mine. And I will draw a character I really like. Her name is Red Sonja. It's a lady warrior, and I really like her because she's fierce, and also she wear like a tiny middle suit, like bathing suit. I don't think it's very safe for fighting big guys, but apparently she succeeded. So good for you, Red Sonja. Apparently, any ladies on any comic books just are showing up to fight with bathing suit on, and it's okay, I guess. So we will do that today. So let's jump right into it. Like they say on every YouTube videos ever when they are doing tutorials, they say let's jump right into it. So I'm using that phrase too. If you're new, I'm French, that's why I have a weird accent, by the way. Enjoy. So firstly you will use like circles to do like some kind of rough skeleton. It will help you to know where to put things like the face, the shoulders, the elbows and stuff like that. If you're not sure about the composition, just take a picture of yourself or look through Google or stuff like that to find a pose that looks like that, and you will know where to put things. So when you did that, you will have to put, you know, the cross on the face to know where the eyes go, the nose and stuff like that. So when you think about boobies, don't draw balloons. They are not balloons. Breasts have their life of their own. And you have to think about if the lady I'm drawing is naked or not. Red Sonja right now is not naked. She has a bra on. So there will be a little more round, but not like balloons. Don't draw balloons. You see that? I draw like more like of a oval circle because breasts are not that round. Maybe they're fake, but we want breasts that are real and spectacular. So just think like maybe not a perfect circle. What I do is always make some movement on it, like if there was wind on her hair. So as she is doing something, because she has a pinup pose, but she's doing something, so the hair is like moving, so the air is moving her hair like that. So don't forget stuff like that. It looks like she's doing something, at the same time she's kind of sexy, you know, with her hand on her throat because she's a warrior. So she's like, oh, like that. I am going to kill somebody, but I'm still sexy doing it. When you want to line your pencil drawing, you can use like several pen, like liner pen with different sizes. I use some outline like that. So 0.05 or 0.3, depending on what I want to do. And the thing is with different pens, that they can give you more, you can do more detail on your drawings, and also can give way more life to it by adding some volume on certain areas, like for example the breath, the butt, the shoulder, stuff like that. What I do is other things that are round, I put more ink on it to emphasize it. So this is the result for the moment. That's all for today's video. I think I will do like another part where I will be explaining how I use watercolors, the steps, how to color everything, because I usually do a time lapse, but I think maybe you want to see more in depth how I do that. So we will do that next time, or in another video, maybe not next time, because I have another video for you before, I think. So yeah, I hope you like this video. It's different than usual, but I thought it could be fun. And look at that. It's my Juicy. My Juicy. La 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 la. I am so happy to have that. I feel like so bougie, you know? Like, look at that. Do you like it? I kind of like this color on me. What do you think? I feel fancy. Peace out.